Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. My name is Jason, and I am very happy to have you here with us today.
Hello, friends. I am Julia. Thank you for joining us. We love learning English with you. Today we have a very special topic.
Yes, our topic today is how to control your mind. Many people feel stress or worry every day. Sometimes the mind feels like a busy city. So many thoughts, so much noise.
Exactly. When your mind is not calm, it is difficult to focus, to work, or even to speak English confidently. Good news. You can learn to control your mind.
In this podcast, we will teach you simple and powerful ideas. You can use them every day to become stronger, calmer, and more positive.
We will talk slowly and clearly so you can understand and practice your English listening skills too.
So get comfortable, relax, and let's learn together.
Yes, stay with us until the end because we will give you some easy activities that you can try today.
Let's start. So, what does control your mind really mean? It does not mean you stop thinking. It means you choose what to focus on.
Right. Our mind has many thoughts every day. Some thoughts are good and helpful. Some thoughts are negative and make us feel worried or scared.
When we control our mind, we say, "Hey, I want to think about something better." We guide our thoughts in a positive direction.
Imagine your mind is like a car. You are the driver. If you don't hold the steering wheel, the car goes anywhere. It can crash.
Exactly. Many people let their mind drive by itself. They think negative thoughts all day. I am not good enough. I cannot do this. People will laugh at me. These thoughts make life very difficult.
Controlling your mind means you take the steering wheel, you decide where you want to go, you choose focus, peace, and confidence.
Here is a simple example. You want to speak English, but you feel nervous. Your mind says, "I will make mistakes. People will judge me." When you control your mind, you change the thought to, "I am learning. Mistakes are normal. I can try."
That one change makes a big difference. Your body relaxes. You feel brave. Then you speak better English, too.
So remember this. You are the boss of your mind. Your mind is not the boss of you.
Beautiful. Controlling your mind is the first step to controlling your life.
Now, let's talk about negative thoughts and positive thoughts. Negative thoughts are ideas in your mind that make you feel sad, scared, or weak.
For example, a negative thought might say, "I always make mistakes. People do not like me. I cannot speak English." These thoughts stop your progress and take your energy.
Positive thoughts help you feel strong, hopeful, and ready to try again. A positive thought says, "I can learn step by step. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me grow."
Here is a quick trick. When you hear a negative thought in your mind, listen to it. Then ask, "Is this helping me or hurting me?"
If it is hurting you, change it to something that supports your goals. You do not lie to yourself. You choose a better direction.
Instead of "My English is bad," you say, "My English is getting better because I am practicing." Same situation, different mind message.
Positive thoughts give you power. They push you forward. Negative thoughts pull you backward. You choose which one to follow.
Your mind listens to your words, so speak to yourself with kindness and confidence.
Our mind is always moving. It jumps from one thought to another like a monkey jumping from tree to tree. To control your mind, you need to practice focus.
Focus means you pay attention to one thing at a time. You look at it, listen to it, think about it, and you do not let your mind run away.
A simple exercise. Ready. Everyone listening can try it too. Look around you and choose one object. Something small, a pen or a cup. Now focus on it for 10 seconds. Notice the color, the shape, the size. Just that object.
Your mind might try to think about something else. That is normal. When your mind moves away, gently bring it back. You are training your brain like a muscle.
When you practice focus every day, even for 1 minute, your mind becomes stronger. You can study better, speak better, and feel calmer.
Remember this. Small focus practice makes a big change in your life.
Inside our mind, there is always a voice talking to us. This is our inner voice. Sometimes this voice helps us. Sometimes it makes us feel small.
For example, before speaking English, maybe your inner voice says, "My pronunciation is bad. People will laugh." This voice makes you afraid.
We cannot stop this voice completely. That is normal. What we can do is change the message.
When your inner voice says, "I cannot do this," you reply, "I can try. I am learning." When the voice says, "I am not good," you say, "I am improving every day."
It feels strange in the beginning, but with practice, the inner voice becomes your coach, not your enemy.
A good inner voice gives you courage. It says, "Let's speak English today. Let's learn something new."
Every time you hear a negative sentence in your mind, change it to a positive one. Little by little, your mind will believe the new message. Mindfulness is a beautiful word. It means paying attention to the present moment. You notice what is happening right now, not yesterday, not tomorrow.
Many times our mind travels to the past or the future. We think about mistakes or worry about problems. Mindfulness brings the mind back home.
Let's try a short activity together. Sit comfortably. Take a slow breath in. Feel the air enter your body. Then, slowly, breathe out. Just focus on your breath. Nothing else.
If another thought tries to come in, like "What will I eat later?" or "I need to study," let the thought pass like a cloud in the sky. Then return to your breathing.
You can do this for 1 minute every day. When you practice mindfulness, you become calmer. Your mind listens to you.
A calm mind is much easier to control. You make better decisions. You feel more peace. And you learn faster, too.
Emotions are powerful. When we feel angry or sad or stressed, our mind changes. We cannot think clearly.
That is why controlling your emotions is so important. When your emotions are calm, your decisions are smart.
Imagine you are in class and you cannot answer a question in English. You feel embarrassed. Your emotion says, "Stop speaking forever."
If you make a decision with that emotion, you might never try again. That is not good. One mistake does not mean failure.
Here is a simple technique. When you feel a strong emotion, stop for 1 moment. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ask yourself, what is the best thing to do right now?
You give your mind time to think. You control the moment instead of the moment controlling you.
Another example. You want to study English, but you feel lazy. Your emotion says, watch videos and relax. If you follow that emotion every day, your English will not grow.
Instead, you can say, "I will study for 5 minutes, just 5. After 5 minutes, you often feel better and continue longer.
Every small emotional victory makes your mind stronger. You learn that you are in control, not your feelings.
When your emotions follow your goals, your life becomes better and more successful.
Our mind becomes stronger when we create good habits. A habit is something you do again and again without thinking too much. Strong habits help you control your mind every day.
For example, many successful people start their morning with a routine. They stretch, drink water, read something positive, or take a short walk. These small habits give their mind energy and direction.
If you wake up and immediately look at your phone, your mind becomes noisy very fast. Messages, news, social media. You feel stressed before your day even starts.
Try a simple morning habit instead. When you wake up, take one deep breath and say something positive. For example, today I will do my best. This takes only 5 seconds, but it sets the mood for your whole day.
You can also build habits to support your English learning. Maybe 5 minutes of listening to English every evening, or writing 2 sentences in English at night.
Small habits are easier to continue. When you do them every day, your brain learns discipline. You say to your mind, "We have a plan." Your mind listens and follows you.
Strong habits create a strong mind. Your confidence grows. Your focus grows. Your progress grows.
You don't need big changes. Just start with one small good habit today. Your future self will thank you.
Wow! We have shared so many tips today. Let's quickly recap. First, remember, you are the driver of your mind. You can choose what to think.
Yes. Second, pay attention to your thoughts. Change negative thoughts into positive ones. Third, practice focus every day, even for 1 minute.
Fourth, listen to your inner voice and make it your coach, not your enemy. Fifth, use mindfulness to stay in the present moment.
Sixth, control your emotions before making decisions. Seventh, build small but strong habits. All of these steps make your mind calm, strong, and positive.
Remember, controlling your mind is not a one-day job. It's a daily practice. Every small effort counts.
You can start today, take one step, practice one tip, and slowly your mind will become your best friend.
Your mind can help you succeed in life and in learning English. Believe in yourself and keep practicing.
Yes, you are stronger than you think. Keep going, stay positive, and enjoy your journey.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of English Learning Podcast. We hope you enjoyed learning how to control your mind.
Yes, we love having you with us. Remember, small daily practices can change your mind and your life.
If you found this episode helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. We love reading your thoughts.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Also, try one tip from today's episode and tell us how it worked for you in the comments. Your small progress can inspire others too.
We have more exciting topics coming soon, so stay tuned and keep learning English with us.
Thank you again for joining us. Stay calm, stay positive, and take control of your mind.
See you in the next episode.